Hey everyone, it's Hannah. Welcome back. Like and subscribe. Go follow me on Teachers Pay Teachers under the name Miss CLIPART. So we're gonna take your image that you have drawn and we're going to highlight the entire thing. Drag your mouse over it while clicking and just click Command C. We're then gonna go into Photoshop and we're going to create a new canvas. You can pick your own size. I'm doing 8.5 by 11 inches, a regular size piece of paper. That's so I can just distribute it easily to teachers on Teachers Pay Teachers. After you've pressed create, we're gonna press Command V to paste your object. Just press OK, and when your image pops up, we're gonna drag it to the borders of your canvas. We're doing this to get the best resolution possible. Now we're gonna turn it into a transparent image by going down to the bottom right corner. Where the eyeball is and my mouse is, we're gonna click that eyeball to make the background disappear. The next step is to go to your left-hand corner and click File. We're gonna go down to Save As, and we're gonna name it whatever you wanna name it. I'm naming mine Scarecrow, and then we're gonna go down to the Format and click PNG. PNG is the highest resolution. That way the image is super clear for your customers. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on Teachers Pay Teachers under Miss CLIPART, or if you saw this on Teachers Pay Teachers, go make sure to follow me on YouTube and Instagram. On Instagram, I'm miss.clipart. On YouTube, I am Miss CLIPART. Same name, same deal. Thanks guys.